In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update department in Smartsheet, Profile Information 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. This is the main site where you'll access your account and profile settings. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account. You can log in using your work credentials or your organization's single sign-on, depending on how your company is set up. Enter your details, complete any verification prompts if they appear, and you're in. That's all you need to do here. After you log in, you'll land on the home page. This is your starting hub showing recent items, favorites, and quick links. We won't be changing anything on this screen. It's just the place you see first after signing in. Take a look at the left sidebar. This is where the main navigation menus live, like Home, Browse, Recents, and more. We'll use this area to reach your account controls. Now, look to the bottom left corner of that sidebar for your profile icon. It might appear as your initials or a small avatar. Click it to open your account options. From the menu that appears, select Personal Settings. This opens your Profile and Preferences panel. It should pop up right away and you'll see several tabs or sections depending on your plan and permissions. In this panel, locate the department field. This is where you'll set or update the department associated with your profile. Click into the field and enter your department exactly as your organization expects it to appear. If your company uses a standard naming convention, match that format to keep reporting and automations consistent. In some accounts, this might be a free text box. In others, it could be a drop-down. Either way, choose or type the correct department. Once you've entered the right information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button within the panel, often near the bottom or top right, and click it. If the button looks disabled, double-check that you've actually edited the field. After saving, you may see a quick confirmation, or the button will gray out again, indicating your changes were applied. If your organization has strict permissions and you can't edit the field, you may need to contact your workspace administrator, but in most cases, you'll be able to update this yourself. That's it. You've updated your department in Smartsheet. Keeping this accurate helps teammates find you, ensures notifications go to the right people, and supports clean reporting across your projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.